Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. Today we are solving LeetCode 121. Best time to buy and sell stock from the LeetCode Top 1 Interview 150 series. This problem looks very simple, but trust me, it teaches a very important way of thinking that you will use again and again in array and greedy problems. So let's understand it slowly from the scratch. So problem statement is you are given an array called prices. Each value tells you the stock price on that day. Your task is very simple. You can buy the stock once, you can sell the stock once, and you must buy before you sell. Your goal is to return the maximum profit possible. If there is no way to make profit, just return zero. So basically we are finding buy at the lowest price, sell later at the higher price. Let's look at the example. Prices are 715364. If you buy at the 7, price goes down, so bad decision. If you buy at 1 and sell at the 6, your profit is 5. So that is the best possible profit. So the output is 5. And very important point, you cannot sell before buying. Order of days matter. So let's look at the constant. The array can go up to the 1 lakh element. This is very important because it tells us the slow solution will not work. So whatever logic we write, it must be the efficient. Now let's see the brute force idea. Let's think like a beginner. What is the most direct way to solve this? Simple thing pick one day to buy, check all the future days to sell, and calculate profit. Keep the maximum one. This is exactly how a human might think first, but this approach is slow for the large input. Let's see the algorithm for this. First, we start with the profit is equal to 0, and we choose a day I as the buying day, and it runs till the 0 to n minus 1. Then we check every future day j as the selling day. We calculate profit by price of j minus price of I, and if it is bigger, then our current profit we update it, and finally we return the maximum profit. So very simple logic, but not an optimized one. So same the brute force one, we buy at the 7 and the buy at 7 no profit, so buy at 1 sell at the 5 profit is 4, buy at 1 and sell at the 6 profit is 5. That is the best. So answer is 5, but notice something, we are checking every possible pair. That's unnecessary work. So let's write the brute force code. Here let maximum profit is the 0 initially, and start a for loop for let I equal to 0, I smaller than prices dot length I plus plus, and inner loop let j equal to I plus 1, j is smaller than prices dot length and j plus plus, and update the maximum profit by comparing math dot maximum profit is the prices of j minus prices of I. So here we calculate the profit and update the maximum profit. So basically we start the for loop which represent the buying day, means this one, and the inner loop represent the selling day, this one, and which must come after the buying basically. And here we calculate the profit and update the maximum profit, and in last we have to return maximum profit. So let's run this. So if you see, the both test cases are passed, but it is a slow solution because the time complexity here is the big of n squared due to the nested for loop, and space complexity is the bigger one. So for big input, this solution will cause the TLD. So now let's improve it. So this is the most important part of this video. Instead of checking all pairs, we ask one smart question. What if I always remember the cheapest price so far? Think like this, I want to buy at the lowest price. When I see a new price, I ask, if I sell today, what profits do I get? That's it. and this turn a slow solution into the fast one. Here is the clean logic. Keep the minimum price as the lowest price so far, and keep the maximum profit also. So go through each day and update the minimum price and calculate profit if sold today, and update the maximum profit. So return the maximum profit in the last. So one loop, no nested loop here. So now let's watch this careful, this try run table. On day one, price is 7. Minimum price we set the 7. Profit is 0. Maximum profit 0. On day 2, price is the 1. We compare the prices 7 or 1. So minimum price is the 1 here. And profit is 0. Maximum profit 0. On day 3, price is 5. Minimum price is the 1 again, because when we compare 1 and 5, 1 is the minimum one. And profit is the 5 minus 1, 4. Maximum profit we update 4 is the, and on day 4 price is 3, minimum price 1, profit is 2, and maximum profit is 4. Because we compare 4 and 2, there is no means 4 is the maximum profit. On day 5, price is 6, minimum price is 1 again, 1 is smaller than 6, and we check the profit 6 minus 1, 5. So we compare the maximum profit 5 versus 4. 5 is win and maximum profit. On day 6, price is 4, minimum price is again 1, so profit is 3. And when we compare 5 versus 3, 5 is the win. So we never break the rule. Buy first, sell later. This is why this solution works. So let's move to the LeetCode and write the code. So here let minimum price is equal to infinity. Let maximum profit is equal to 0. Here minimum price start as the very large, so any price will be the smaller, and start a for loop for let price of prices, and we go through the each day and check minimum price is the math dot min the minimum price and the price, and we update the cheapest price seen so far every day, and check the maximum profit, calculate the math dot maximum profit price minus minimum price. So we check if we sell today, is the profit better or not, and in last we have to return maximum profit. So let's run this. Yes, it accepts the both test cases, and that's it. This is simple, clean, fast solution. Why? Because the time complexity here is the big of n, and space complexity also big of 1. So this is the interview accepted solution. So if I compare the both the solution, the brute force help us to understand the problem, but the optimal greedy solution is what interview want. Always remember, track minimum first, calculate profit later. So that is for this today video. If this video help you understand the problem better, please like, share and subscribe to JDCodebase. We are solving the entire LeetCode top 150 series step by step, and see you in the next video. Thank you.